Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mekong River. Yes, Philippine lady. Yeah, in Mekong, Vietnam.
Good morning guys! So, third day na natin dito sa Vietnam. Meron tayong tour today, yung Cu Chi Tunnel tsaka Mekong Delta Tour. Nabook ko lang din sa Klook, ilalagay ko yung price dyan. So, half day tour sa Cu Chi Tunnel tsaka half day tour sa Mekong Delta. Yung iba gusto nila magkahiwalay na per day para mas sulit. Ako kasi limited lang yung time ko dito kaya talagang pinagsama ko na. Meron naman kasing option na ganun and then may kasama na siyang transfers. So, yun ang ating binook and I think may lunch na rin nakasama yun. Basta ipakita ko sa inyo lahat ng inclusion dito sa tour na to, sa day tour na binook ko. Currently, 7 a.m. Ang pick up sa akin dito is 7:15 a.m. Ready ng mainitan, masunog ng araw, pero masaya. Ang sarap ng tulog ko kagabi. Kasi diba after ko mag-dinner sa Pizza 4-piece, bumalik na ako dito kasi umuulan. Dadaan sana ako ng Bouvian Walking Street kaso medyo hassle. Pero dyan lang naman yon kaya dadaanan na lang natin later. At sana wag umulan at sana maganda ang panahon today. Pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko for today. Simple lang naman para presko. Ayan. Naka-shorts lang tayo. T-shirt na presko. Ang sarap sa balat. Tapos ito, sandals. Ayan. Meron din tayong cup mamaya. Magka-cup tayo. So, let's go guys. Baba na tayo. Antayin natin yung driver na magpipick up sa atin dito sa hotel. And titignan ko kung makakabili ako ng breakfast. Ayan guys, bumaba na tayo. Tingin tayo, baka may makain tayong breakfast. Quick breakfast, mga 10 minutes na lang kasi. No? Susunduin na tayo. Hanap tayo. Marami namang kainan dito. Ito, meron pa doon. Pero parang masarap yung kanin para busog na. Hotel siguro to kasi may breakfast buffet. Ay, hotel nga. Oo. Check natin. Antayin na lang natin yung text kung susunduin na tayo. Pero dito may kainan dito eh. Ayan o. Quick breakfast. Sana hindi pa tayo sunduin. Yung hindi masyadong mainit. Ayoko magsabaw para mabilis kumakain. Ano ba? Parang ang sarap ng fried rice with pork. Rice with chicken. Spring rolls. So, magchi-chicken sana ako tsaka rice. Kaso 15 minutes pa. Meron na lang akong 8 minutes para mag 7:15. Baka mamaya biglang dumating yung sundo ko. Maabutan ako. Kaya, yung na lang in-order ko, spring roll. Fresh spring roll. 50,000 dong. 3 pieces. Ayun. Gusto ko rin naman yan matry. Pina-take away ko na lang. Kasi parang may nakita akong bus eh. Baka mamaya, sundo ko pala, no? Wala pa naman kumukontak sa akin. Pero tinake out ko na lang. Mahirap na baka madali ako. Kita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ay, may suka. Tapos, ito siya, oh. 50,000 dong. Ay, malalaki. Oh, wow. Wala pa naman yung bus. Wala pa nagte-text. Ayan na siya, oh. May pork or beef ba yan? Hipon. Ayan, sausaw natin. Natapunan ako, guys. Ng suka or patis. Sarap. Freshly made. Mamadali ako, baka dumating yung tour ko. Ay, yung driver. Ang sarap. Hindi ako nagsisi. Bibili pa ako ng bukas or mamaya kung maabutan ko. Ang sarap. 50,000 dong. Naka 115 pesos. 3 peraso. Ang fresh, ang sarap.
Rosalind!
Nakasalubong ko na yung driver. Ciao. Sakto. Sakto. Pagkain niya ko. Pagkatapos dumating na. Nakasalubong ko. Yung nagsundo.
Before you come in, amen. See must of white love cell. Before, yes, how many times must the cannonballs fly? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. There's no heaven. It is if you try above us, only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no country, nothing to kill or die for. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger, a brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing on the world. You may say love is a dreamer, but love is not the only one. Lucky hope someday you join Lucky, and the world will live as one.
So may first stop tayo. Parang community to kung nasaan yung mga handicap. Ito rin yung sinusuportahan ata ni Angelina Jolie na yung marami mga handicap
Hello, Lucky family.
community.
Long dress,
Or-
personal clothes. You go shop in the city, make me fun. With a hat. You walk around Manila, Philippines. Wow, beautiful Vietnam. You also.
Process sila dito paggawa ng ano to, ng wood. Ay, mga wood. Ayan. And to support din, kasi handicap daw yung mga gumagawa. Basta yung may organization sila o charity na handicap. So, para ma-support, bumili na lang ako netong masyado mahal kasi yung wood na so ito na lang, keychain, magnet. Ang mahal kasi nung ginagawa nila. Pero ang gaganda, grabe, 2 weeks pinaka minimum na nagagawa. Yung malalaki, 2 months. So ito, binili ko tong magnet na to. Ito na 80,000 dong. So, yan, masasarap tong food na to. Kaya, goods, okay. Yun lang, tapos may mga snack dito. Pwede kayong bumili. I just look around. May prutas. Ayan, may bani. Ayan. So, may ganito sila. May mga ganitong product. Ito yan, guys.
But remember the guy who loved you so. From this Mekong river, you ran away. For they say you are taken in the sunshine that has brought turns our heart way around. 100 years. Friends bring many plants from Brazil. They grow in this area. The farmer get the milk from the tree to make the plastic and truck tire. Philippine family, wake up, wake up.
Ano to, souvenir shop. Marami daw mga Chinese products kasi marami rin Chinese products kasi 'di ba nga sinako. Tumira sila na matagal dito. Yung mga bala, for sale daw 'yan. Ay, for sale. Ayun mga ginamit. So, ayan. Funny tour guide. Yeah. Yeah. Or kagubatan. Ayan, dahan-dahan. Auditorium.
150 kilometers square. Now we right here. The hotel Saigon Center. We can come here by boat Saigon River, 50 kilometers away from your hotel. The black color, 240 kilometers. And the deepest, 13 meters.
Ito yung tunnel.
This is the way they escape to the river from tunnel. They have many trap, underground trap. Sometimes they use...
Ito na daw tayo sa tunnel. Yung pwedeng picture spot.
First time the farmer here make a trap to hunt wild animal. In the war time the VC we can use and trap to hunt US Army. Wow. Sometimes they use bamboo, sometimes they recycle. Secret entrance.
Parang babara naman tayo.
Every 50, 100 meter, they have one city. No left to Cambodia, no need visa.
Ganyan siya.
Okay, good up. Hey, well done, well done.
Siyempre babara ako, no? Kaya ganito na lang.
Mom, давай.
Laputan na.
Остановили.
Laputan na agad. Ayan, so nag-try ako doon. Siyempre babara ako, guys. Pero try lang. For fun. Nilibot natin yung Kuchi Tunnel.
Thunder rest. In their big room, big bunker. They come out here, they shoot. US me, they escape again. Sometimes US me to the mountain, boom.
Ito pa. Daan. Dadaan na tayo sa kagubatan. Ito yung kagubatan. Oh. Oops. Dahan-dahan. Airways.
That's the airway?
That's the airways.
Mm.
it's very small.
You know, every 20 meter, everywhere have 20 meter like this, like this. The first time U.S. Army,
Malabas na ano. Ganun
Diba?
pala akala nila ano.
it's true, termite there, but it's not the real termite.
Yeah.
I mean, the real
airways.
termite, natural, nobody make it. This they build it to cover American eyes, cover Philippine eyes. Ah, they're very clever, huh? Look at
Yes.
that, but don't like that.
Ito, another one, airways.
Same family, friendly.
Uh-huh.
You don't forget enemy. Some a-hole to put the black pepper. The black pepper very spicy, like a chili. Looks me. Look, you continue. The dogs smell the butter. The dogs will look with toast, egg, bacon, and butter. And eat breakfast only. The dog don't care the basic. Some a-hole, they put the soup. S-O-A-B, soap symbol.
Yeah, so.
When we wash the clothes, the soup
Yeah.
delete the smell, correct? The dog smell the soup, look like perfume, good smell. The dog thinking about it, said hot and humid. The dog want to take a bath, take a shower.
I can feel that at night in the room.
M41.
M41.
It was destroyed by the VC Vicon landmine in the year 1970 right here, this area.
Yung trap.
This trap not killing US Army. They scare US Army and they have to time to run away. Escape. This one is called fish trap, foot and spoon. Fish trap, foot and spoon. They step into the middle trap like this. Ah! 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 Yeah, seesaw trap. The black head problem, black head problem. They deep a few thousand miles, like in the rice field, battlefield, and the river bank. VC, open the door, go out and hands up. I will give you many, many beautiful girls from New York City. They hear nobody answer. They open the door. The trap on down. You actually use M16. They stop the trap. But you cannot stop one more extra here. You can't know to the trap, no baby trap. After trap, no more baby, no more children. Look, look. Hoo-ah! Hoo-ah! Huh? After problem, with the Thailand country, operation become lady boy. Hoo-ah! Many bomb, boom, boom. Which bomb, no boom, boom, living here. They feel no water, make wet, get the bomb. And after 2 months, they get the powder and thing, they go back like mine. Hey, look at me. Don't want the hot room, everywhere together. Hello, the scorpion, come here. Here, many scorpion there in the front tunnel. Scorpion. Many, many.
Many. Yeah.
Hello.
Shooting range.
One bag, one bullet.
Okay.
Very fast, very fast. And after you from them,
Machine gun.
from them.
75,000 per one bullet. Grabe. Ang ano, nakakatakot yung baril yung shooting range. Kaya na nagpapaputok.
Look, 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 look. In the wartime, the VC become very clever. They use old truck tire. The world, thousand farmer here. Hey, look at family. Now, tunnel. We in here.
Pasok tayo sa loob ng tunnel. Malaki din naman pala.
Кто хотел полазить по туннелям?
Parang hindi. Ayan lang pala, oh. From here, hanggang dito. Lapot na lapot na. Grabe ang kitid ng ng tunnel. Napakakitid ng daan. May kitchen daw dito. Ito yung kitchen nila. Ayan. May usok.
From 7 p.m. until 2 a.m. in the morning. Let's move.
So, tapos na tayo sa Cuchi Tunnel. Magla-lunch naman tayo, which is kasama dito sa package. So, let's go. Init. Dito naman tayo magla-lunch, guys. Sa, Tre Bang Vietnam. Yan. Yung Bamboo Restaurant. Dito tayo kakain, guys. Wow. Nakaano siya for sharing setup. Ito yung passion fruit with mango. The fruit.
Are you ready?
Hello guys. So ayan, sumakay na ako ng van. Ayan, nandun pa sila pero kasi dito nakabukas yung aircon. Kaya pumasok na ako. Ang init kasi. Grabe. Pero in fairness, yung kasamang food dito sa tour, dito kami kumain sa Bamboo Restaurant. Ang sarap. Nakaano na siya, yung sharing kayo. Pero sulit siya, busog na busog din. And then nag-additional lang kami ng drinks for 65,000 dong. So, masarap siya. Shake siya ng mango with passion fruit. Busog na busog. Nakita niyo naman yung food, 'di ba? Ang dami. Tapos parang 3 lang kaming kumain doon kasi naka-section yun eh. So, ayan, lapot na naman tayo. After namin dito, pupunta na kami ng Mekong Delta, which is anong oras na ba? 12 na. So, Mekong Delta kami pupunta, 2 hours drive. So, medyo malayo-layo. Kaya, let's go. Nandito na yung mga kasama ko. Bye!
There's a time of surrender for this wide I wonder. Ladies and gentlemen, looking very happy that Uchino and Michael Weaver. And now we sing together. That's the thing for life is good. Toilet.
Okay, good. Nandito na tayo sa Mekong River. Sabi may mga crocodile daw. Ayan guys. Magko-cross tayo ng river. Ayan yung boat ride natin. Ang daming ano ba ito? Water lily. Parang Pasig. Parang ilog Pasig ang dating. Pero malaki. Ito daw ay number 12 longest in the world. So, ayan. It's giving Pasig River. Let's go. Bumaba kami rito sa may bee farm.
Hello. Hello. Good for liver and hope digestive system so much. So come and get the milk to be. Hello. They get the milk to roll your chili. After 30 months, your skin pink like a baby. The wrinkle to line disappear. Oh, very good.
Holland. Đi Holland from the Longan flower. And hot green tea.
Partner pala ito.
Very good for the throat. Kinalo lang. Masakit na sana ako kaya. Wow! Ang sarap ng honey.
Because
The honey is good.
good.
Yeah, you can really taste it in the drink. Puro lang tuloy-tuloy ako nito. Same. I wanna taste the ginger. Even though I don't like ginger. Kotik, I don't like it. Kadira eh.
130,000 đồng for one smart. Maramasta 250,000 đồng.
Ito guys, bili tayo ng honey. Ito ay 120,000 dong. Yung maliit nila.
I would buy them.
Masarap siya. Pure honey. Oh my gosh, ayun. Oh,
Кусается. Brave.
Yes, right. One.
Oh my
oh,
god.
what's that? What's that, lizard?
Many people ask me, how can the king become king to the fifth wife every day romantic? This one happy ending water. Happy ending water. One shot every day, good for time, 10 shot.
Da.
Session tequila. After you romantic. Happy ending water.
What does it take? What?
Some lemon?
Good.
Some honey.
Naliit na chicken, oh. Ito, oh, real crocodile. Hermes, oh. 900,000 dong. 1 million dong. Real Hermes. Crocodile, oh. Totoong leather yan, oh. Oh, di ba?
Also grew up speaking English because yeah, international school is a thing.
Did you go to college?
I go
Buko. Buko na amoy nyog na. Gata.
Hindi pa lang yung sa sari-sari store lang namin. Ganyan din ginagawa ng lolo ko.
Yung ano yan ay sapal.
Monkey very bad boy. The monkey, 5 people.
Okay. Go. Yun naman. Mga shop, mga snack. Ayan, factory na.
Hello. Puno kini.
Ah.
Hello. Eat. Very nice.
Sarap.
Very nice. The tourists in the hotel, they smell you.
You see, this one is much harder than the one that we ate. Ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa boat, yung mag-rowing. Ayan. So, mayroon dito langka, oh. Ang sarap ng mga prutas dito, guys. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Dito to sa Mekong Delta. So, may mga shop kaming inistapan para may try yung products. Tapos kung gusto nyo bumili, pwede kayo bumili. Tapos ito, may paprutas sila. Snack. Very nice. May nagpe-perform pa. Ngayon, ito papunta to sa river. Sasakay na kami ng bangka. Cute na mga basahan, no? Ayan na, magbo-boat na. Hala, nakakatakot.
At the end, you happy? Hello? Translate. You understand?
Fun experience din. 2 meter long, 2 kilometer long pala yung river. Pag nakita kayo, mag-tip na lang din kayo kasi mga farmer daw sila. And yan lang yung kabuhayan nila. Real crocodile leather. May kasama ng coconut water.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mekong River. Yes, a Philippine lady. Yeah, in Mekong, Vietnam. Oh yeah. When you say nothing, promise baby that never depart. Your heart apart. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. You say it best when you say nothing.
Ayan guys, na-drop na tayo ng van, no? So, nakakatuwa naman. Anong oras na? 6:34. So, medyo on time talaga kaming dumating at pinick up. So, magandang experience talaga. Ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa Hanoi Corner kasi gusto ko ng buncha. So, yun lang yung na-search ko. Kain tayo ng buncha. And after buncha, pupunta naman tayo ng massage. Magpapamassage ako. Yun na yung last itinerary ko today. Kasi bukas another day. So medyo pagod na rin ako. So ngayon magdi-dinner and then magpapamassage tayo. Ayan. So let's go! Ayan, dito tayo magdi-dinner sa Hanoi Corner. Ito yung menu nila. Na-miss ko yung Hanoi. Ayan. Kasi ito daw special. Pero kasi buncha yung gusto ko. Ito yung restaurant. Ito yung ating buncha. Okay, yung soup. Wow. Come on. Come on. Sarap, good. Yes, guys. Kain tayo. Buncha. Soup nila. Sobrang sarap. Natuwa ako. Naubos ko. Sarap. Ang sarap ng buncha. Isa sa favorite ko talaga. Tapos inalok ako ni ate ng flan. Parang leche flan. Eh, bumili na rin ako. More than ako. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura. And then, yung total na kabayaran ko dito. Ito na yung flan. Ayan, dessert natin. So, may coke pa tayo. Busog na busog ako. Ba't na ako ng soft drinks? Sorry. Eh, magpapamassage pa ako. So, bunsol. Ito na yung flan. Tikman natin. Parang leche flan. May syrup sa ilalim. Hindi siya parang leche flan eh. Ay, leche flan siya na matabang. Yung tamis niya, yung leche flan. Yung arnibal. Ay, ang sarap. 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 So, ito yung total natin. 154,000 dong. Lagay ko dyan yung conversion. Sulit na sulit to. Grabe. Pag pupunta kayo, try nyo to lahat. Ito na guys. Sis Spa. Ayan. Ito yung menu nila ay yung services. So, mag-ano tayo. Signature 1 hour. Ang ganda ng Sis Spa. Promise eh. May pa-snack sila dito, oh. Tsaka tea. Basang sisiw ako guys kasi nagmotor lang ako tapos umambo ng malakas. Galing ako sa may Hanoi Buncha. ay Hanoi Corner. Malayo kasi pala yung branch na napili ko. Mag-shower muna ako. Bigyan ako ng towel, tsaka ayan, ganda ng CR. Pa-yogurt pa sila, tsaka tea. Ang dalis ko, pero ang sarap ng masabi. Ang ganda ng service. Ayan, no? Ito na pala yung Bouvian Walking Street, guys. Malapit lang dun sa massage na pinuntahan ko. Lakarin na natin, o diba? Malalakad na natin siya. Yung massage pala na try ko, 400,000 dong siya. Ito yung Bouvian Street. At may mga nag-aapoy-apoy.
Ay, mga adol! Dami nagsasayaw. Para tong ano yung Makati Ave.
Bili tayo ng banh mi bago bumalik ng hotel. Hello guys! So ayan, yan, basa pa yung hair ko kasi 'di ba naligo ako. Naligo ako dun sa sa spa. So nagpa-massage ako ng 1 hour massage. Tapos dun ako naligo kasi buti nga pinayagan ako kasi 'di ba whole day ako nasa tour kanina. Tapos dumiretso ako dun. Tapos pagpunta ko dun, bago ako pumunta, naulanan ako kasi naka-motor ako, basang-basa ako. So ayun, pinaligo nila ako, buti naman. Tapos after no, naglakad lang ako. Malapit lang pala sa Bouvian Walking Street, yung mga party. Ayan, nakita nyo naman dyan sa video, 'di ba? Tapos, bumili lang ako ng water, tsaka banh mi sa nadaanan ko lang. So, 30,000 dong lang to. Tapos yung water na nabili ko, 10,000 dong lang. Ang laki-laki na yung 1 liter. Tapos, bumalik na ako dito ng hotel kasi init na rin ako. Kasi diba, syempre, may oil yung katawan ko. So, nainitan ako maigi. Magpapahinga na rin ako. Kasi bukas, maglilibot-libot pa rin tayo, no? Pero hindi na tayo masyadong maaga kasi parang chill day na lang yon. Tapos, shopping, ganyan, mamimili. So, yun guys. So, that's it for today. Another day tomorrow. So, yun lang guys. Good night. Bye. Banh mi ulit.